Hello friends, welcome to Money Sprint. In this video, we will discuss an amendment by Finance Act 2021 which relaxed the audit requirement based on turnover by amending Section 44AB. So there is some confusion whether the new Section 44AB is applicable from FY 2021 or financial year 21-22. So in this video, we will be looking at the provisions to know the exact requirement. Let me share my screen. So what you see is Section 44AB in front of you. So I'll not go into the requirement. So it says every person carrying on business and where his total sales turnover etc. exceeds 1 crore, or if he is in a profession, his gross receipts exceed a particular amount. So now, so till financial year 2022 or till the amendment made by budget 2021, this 1 crore rupees was supposed to be read as 5 crore rupees if all the amounts received for sales, turnover or gross receipts during the year in cash does not exceed 5% of the said amount, or all the payments similarly in cash which do not exceed 5% of the said payment. So if all receipts out of which 5% or less are in cash, or all payments out of which 5% or less are in cash, then this 1 crore rupees was supposed to be read as 5 crore rupees. Now, what Finance Act 2021 has done the change is that instead of 5, this requirement or the turnover amount has been increased to 10. And if you see, this is what is the substitution. They are substituted for 5 by Finance Act number 13 of 2021 with effect from 1st April 2021. So when it says 1st April 2021, this gives rise to confusion whether this 10 crore requirement is applicable from financial year 2021 or financial year 21-22. So generally, in my experience, if anything has been made effective from 1st April of a particular year, then that should be read as an assessment year. So this indicates that this change is applicable from assessment year 2021 and 22, which is applicable to the financial year 2020 and 21. Okay, so this is the reading of the section. Now let us look at the memorandum, which explains the insertion of this provision. So this is the memorandum to Finance Act 2021. Rationalization of provisions relating to tax audit in certain cases. Under Section 44AB of the Act, every person carrying on business, etc. So I'll read the effective part. In order to reduce compliance burden on small and medium enterprises, in Finance Act 2020, this threshold was increased from 1 crore to 5, where the receipts and payments are less than 5%. Now it further says, in order to incentivize non-cash transactions to promote digital economy and to further reduce compliance burden of small and medium enterprises, it is proposed to increase the threshold from 5 crore to 10 crore in the cases listed above. Then it says this amendment will take effect from 1st April 2021 and will accordingly apply for assessment year 21-22 and subsequent assessment year. So this supports the view that this amendment is applicable from assessment year 21-22. Now let us also look at the actual tax return form. So this is a part of the tax return form from my form for assessment year 21-22. So it includes questions like whether during the year total turnover, sales, gross receipts, etc. of the business exceeds 1 crore but does not exceed 10 crore. Then whether aggregate of all amounts received, including amount received for sales, etc., does not exceed 5%. All payments, out of payments, payments made in cash do not exceed 5%. So this also supports the view that this amendment is effective from financial year 2021 and not 2022. So as you can see, a close reading of the tax law, the memorandum and the tax form suggests that the new requirement of 10 crore turnover under section 44 AB is applicable from financial year 2021 and not 21-22. So this is a reading of my reading of law, but please consult your tax advisor or financial advisor before taking a decision.